So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin yung sitwasyon po ni Carl Brian Cruz kabola, who can become an unrestricted free agent, so top 3 teams that should make an offer. Then about San Miguel Beerman, and then rain or shine legend Gabe Norwood. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Una po dito, Coach Gallant Marvelous and the harmony of Benny Boatwright, Junmar Pardo pairing. So Boatwright, to be honest, nagulat tayo kabola na he will be an effective import. Looking at the numbers kasi and the highlights, we are skeptical actually when he was chosen as their import. Pero he proved kabola that he is very athletic kabola, and he is a really good shooter, and that makes him an incredible partner to Junmar Pardo, and that is basically what Coach George is trying to point out here kabola. Now pinagdadaan ko lang, so it's actually logical, di ba, to expect that Fajardo will be a great fit with a shooter as his partner. Pero nakapagtaka dyan, una, anong ginawa ni San Miguel Beerman, di ba? Bakit they let go of Santos last year, kabola, in exchange for Manuel, who is also a post scorer? And then, why have they been failing, kabola, to get as many shooters as possible, di ba? To surround Fajardo. Diba? Very logical naman that you surround Fajardo as many shooters as possible and you will win as many games as you can, kabola. And now this tandem will try to beat Ginebra, and I think this tandem will actually be a very, very hard one to stop by Coach Tim Cohn and his team, kabola. Now RS Lifer Gabe Norwood chose the 5-3-point club, kabola. This is an incredible fit by Gabe Norwood, a unique, a very hard to find type of guy, a player who decided to just stay with an independent franchise. I'm pretty sure he is only getting, kabola, yung tama, yung legal na maximum salary, malamang, kabola. Even though he has been a top 50 player for almost his entire career, di ba? So for a player to do that, that's incredible. He should be a legend, kabola, with this franchise. So he all deserves all the credit, defense, and dito pinapakita niya that the scoring is part of also of his game. Then, comments muna tayo dun sa ating pong mock draft, kabola. Ito mga comments doon. John Dexter Dumagan, this is a dream team mock draft. In short, malaki pong mangyari mga picks mo sa team. It will happen only if PBA expand and no farm team in the PBA. In a way, di ba, we are still early kasi, di ba, in a way, this is just more of a dream draft type of thing, di ba, para lang kayo po ay ma-entertain in a way po and start imagining who are the possible targets of your favorite team. Cedric Bearfield for SMB, sabi naman ito itong isa. Let us see, kabola, of course, that is almost impossible kasi naman top 3 pick po yan, and San Miguel Beerman will not get a top 3 pick. Then nag-isa pa si John Dex, sana kunin na SB si Tamayo for the SMB future if na-win na siya ng Pilipinas. Of course, all the other teams also want Scar Tamayo, all the other serious teams, I mean, kabola. So tignan natin po kung yan po ay mangyayari po, kabola. Now, speaking, Carl Brian Cruz is part of the 2016 draft, kabola, who will now eligible to become an unrestricted free agent. Again, pag unrestricted free agent po, it means you can choose the team that you want to play for, and I think these are the top 3 teams that should try to offer for him. Number 3 natin, rain or shine, kabola. If you look at the numbers, rain or shine was one of the worst defensive team, kabola, in that Commissioner's Cup, although nakahabol po sila sa playoffs, and Carl Brian Cruz is a very good defender. He all once even reached that status of a defender of an import, kabola. So bagay siya sa need po ng rain or shine. Number 2 natin, San Miguel Beerman. So going back to discussion natin kanina, of course, they need a shooter, and CBC can shoot, kabola, and defensively can also defend. So bagay din po siya San Miguel Beerman. Pero number 1 sa akin, Phoenix, because I think I'm just amused to see kung ano pong gagawin ng isang CBC in the most modern franchise currently in the PBA, diba? Knowing that CBC is a very good shooter, kabola, and is very versatile, especially the defensive end. Tignan natin yung magiging fit niya, kabola. Kabola, sa palagay mo, sino dapat mag-over po kay CBC? Comment na po sa baba.